Think brushing your teeth is enough? Think again. Your toothbrush misses up to 40% of your teeth's surface, meaning plaque and tartar are silently building up where you can't reach. And what a dentist removes during a cleaning. You won't believe it. Let's take a closer look. Most people think a dental cleaning is just a fancy toothbrush session. Wrong. It's actually a precision deep cleaning mission. And your toothbrush, it's just a rookie. First up, scaling. This tool, it's called an ultrasonic scaler, and it vibrates at 50,000 times per second, literally shattering hardened tartar like a tiny jackhammer. Here's the scary part. Once tartar hardens, no toothbrush on earth can remove it. Only this can. Next, polishing. But it's not just for shine, it smooths out microscopic grooves where bacteria love to hide, making it harder for plaque to stick. That means your teeth stay cleaner, longer. And get this, your dentist even flosses your teeth for you. But this isn't the quick, half-hearted flossing you do before bed. This is precision plaque removal. Even the scaler couldn't reach these hidden spots. Finally, fluoride. Think of it as an invisible armor for your teeth, strengthening enamel and making them more resistant to cavities. Oh, and it leaves your mouth feeling super fresh. And just like that, your teeth feel smooth, clean, and brand new. You leave the dentist's office, running your tongue over your teeth like, whoa, it's a total reset for your mouth. So next time you wonder if a professional cleaning is worth it, just remember this. Your toothbrush can't do all this. Now, let's settle this. Have you ever had a crazy dentist experience? Drop a clean teeth in the comments. And before you scroll, did you know your toothbrush is missing 40% of your teeth? Let's take a closer look.